What's up guys, what's going on? Drakkard plays here and welcome to vlog number 2! Yay! Alright guys, so in this video today we are gonna assemble my new PC setup. This actually cost $3,000 and I mean, I know it's a monster, it's a beast of a PC setup guys. So I'd like to thank Nutech Philippines for providing me my PC parts. These are very hard to find nowadays, and I'm very thankful for their help. Also like to do a shout out to Free Flow Clothing for my hat and my shirt right now. Get yours now guys. Go to Facebook and just type in Free Flow Clothing. Alright guys, so alright, so I'm excited to hit this bad boy up, and please do stay and check out the rest of the video. The video is coming right up. What's up guys, it's your boy Drakkard plays here, and we're going to take a look at my PC components. So we're going to start with the monitor here. I have the ASUS gaming monitor, which is the VP249QR LCD 24-inch monitor. It has a 144 Hz refresh rate and a 1 ms NPRT trace free, and it's also IPS. Very solid guys. Next we have the Tough Gaming GT501 case from ASUS as well. A very solid PC case too, a very humongous one as well. Next is we have my motherboard right here, which is the ASUS Republic of Gamers Strix X570E Gaming. And for my SSD, I went with the Samsung 970 EVO Plus NVMe M.2 500GB. For my power supply, I went with the Corsair RM Series RM850 Gold, 850 watts. For my RGB fans, I went with the ID Cooling 3-in-1 ARGB Trio. And for my graphics card, we have this bad boy right here, the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 2080 Super with 3 fans, and is already gaming OC guys. So very solid and a beast. I cannot wait to play Warzone with this one. Next up we have my processor here, the one and only Ryzen 9 3900X from AMD. And for my AIO cooler, I got the Silverstone PF240 Permafrost. Alright guys, so I'm pretty excited to build this PC, and I can't wait to show you guys the final product. I'm actually gonna go all out with a black and white theme, so I'm pretty excited guys. Alright, so please continue to watch the video, and hopefully you will like my build. Alright guys, so I'll see you in the next clip. Hey guys, so we finally finished our PC build, and check out this bad boy right here. Pretty stoked about it. Can't wait to play some games, and you know, guys, follow your boy Drakkard Plays. Links to my socials are down below, so you know what to do, guys. All right, so this has been your boy Drakkard Plays. Pretty much excited to play, guys. So I'll see you, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Peace out and deuces. Bye, guys.